Welcome back to the Feud, everybody. The BRUCE-ARTHUR family won the game. And now it's time to play Money! All right, Audrey, here's how Fast Money works. Deta's off stage. He can't see or hear your answers. I'm gonna ask you 5 questions in 20 seconds. You can't think of something, you just say pass. We have enough time, we'll get back to it. You and Deta together come up with 200 points. Tell everybody what you're gonna win.
5,000 US dollars, man.
The people in Ghana crazy.
We are.
Are you ready?
Yep.
20 seconds on the clock, please. Clock will start after I read the first question. Name something you would see in a desert.
Sand.
A sport that requires strong arms.
Pass.
A word people use to describe a baby.
Cute.
Something people enjoy doing on grass.
Rolling.
Something inside your mouth.
Gum.
A sport that requires strong arms. All right, let's go. All right, let's see how we did, Audrey. Name something you would see in a desert. You said, a lot of sand. Survey said, sport that requires strong arms. A word people use to describe a baby. You said, cute. Survey said, something people enjoy doing on grass. You said, rolling. Watch yourself, girl. Been down there rolling in the grass. All right, who was you with? You and your husband just in that grass, just rolling.
Rolling.
Survey said, something inside your mouth. You said, gum. Survey said, come on, Deta. Deta, listen to me. You can still win this money, but we gotta put in some real work now.
All right.
You need 139 points.
Ooh.
Yeah, don't worry about it though. You can do it. Positive attitude produces positive results.
All right.
Win, 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 no matter what. They don't believe it anymore, so y'all just sitting there going, but Steve, they are so far away. All right, I'm gonna ask you the same 5 questions. You cannot duplicate the answers. If you do, you're gonna hear this sound. I'm gonna say try again, you give me another answer. Gonna be a little bit tougher this time, so I'm gonna give you 25 seconds. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's remind everybody of Audrey's answers. 25 seconds on the clock, please. Clock will start after I read the first question. Name something you would see in a desert.
Sand.
Try again.
Camel.
A sport that requires strong arms.
Wrestling.
A word people use to describe a baby.
Kid.
Something people enjoy doing on grass.
Playing golf.
Something inside your mouth.
Tongue.
My man. All right, Deta, let's go. Let's see what we got, man. We need 139 points. Name something you would see in a desert. You said a camel. After you said sand, that's a smart answer. Survey said. Number 1 answer was sand. Sand was the number 1 answer. Sport that requires strong arms. You said wrestling. Survey said, boom. Wrestling was the number 1 answer. We need 94 points. A word people use to describe a baby. You said kid. Survey said cute. Cute was the number 1 answer. We need 80 points. Something people enjoy doing on grass. You said golf. Survey said number 1 answer was picnic. Picnic. 67 points away. Something inside your mouth. You said tongue. Survey said tongue was the #1 answer. Man, they was right there. Well, folks, all right, I gotta tell you this. Add your score to